Now I'm fine, just like evil feels evil. What I do is that's a fine. But being quiet, cause it's time to bring the noise. Red beats from the label, you know that we done boy. What's up, people heard? You ain't fucking with the team. You can try your best, but you can't do it like me. Nah, they can't do it like me. I'm that same little nigga that was lurking in the streets. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. I'm that nutty motherfucker that be working on these beats. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Man, they tripping if they think that they can do it like me. Boy, they be spitting out, see I'm spitting all that fire. Got a grip up on the game. I ain't even using fire, they don't need to use the tool. When I got my 2 fists, you gon' have to bust a lip and have you with you crack ribs. Wrestling give me a sip, the blunt give me a hit. Have me fucking cross-faded, man, that's one hell of a mix. Haters be on the tip, fucking they just motivation. I know they gonna hate it, when the nigga fucking makes it. Never been so dedicated, but I had to switch it up. Everybody wanna say that you boy running off the left. Everybody wanna speak, they just behind somebody back. When some friends they be like, man, I never said that. Them scary ass niggas, if I say it, then I mean it. Speaking to my words, even if I get being. Ain't never been a sucker, can never be weak. Forget it, they can never ever do it like me. Nah, they can't do it like me. I'm that same little nigga that was working in the streets. Ooh, me, yes, me. They can't do it like me. I'm that nutty motherfucker that be murking on these beats. Ooh, me, yes, me. They can't do it like me. Ooh, me, yes, me. They can't do it like me. Ooh, me, yes, me. They can't do it like me. And they tripping if they think that they can do it like me. Basic, I'm aiming to become the greatest. Each one I've been too patient. Too gracious is my time. Listen up to all my statements. People still be reparations. Don't know how much pride I can take it. I'm sure broke niggas trying to get straight to the money making. Say right, say left, mistaken. Doing it like an easy breaking. Can I smoke because probation? Don't give a fuck about violating. Nigga fucking rich. Like you stuff slipping up in a body bag. Please keep on still on line. Talking to niggas copycat. Slowly so explosive. Double crushing. Cause I'm on my track. Fuck you in your band like you boy. Real niggas don't fuck with swag. Tell me that, like you got his cool and boy, so got that class. Y'all in track, I'm gonna put you in your place. Right, you can't start from that was far from you. How you fucking down from doing that like these tricks. How you shoes, I think I think you see over real shit. All you see, man, you know what I'm talking about. Feeling the cheesy, healing up some sick up in the liver couch. You my twins, go follow my bitch. You know I've been in for leader. When it's my time, we my voice like to you speak. They don't get it, how we get it, they ain't living how we live it, bitch, I'm sipping what I sip it. They don't get it, how we get it, they ain't living how we live it, bitch, I'm sipping what I sip it. They ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it like the bird, man. They ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it like we with it, we can back down with that, I earn props, earn respect, get a grip, you listen trade when I'm with your words, you give me head, move it up so we can back down, say you king on a sad crown, we turn up, you turn down, you get to do it best around, get it right, get it straight, just cue snare, put the bass, you want to sample and hit the tape, you say you good, I'm feeling great, this is my life, fuck it, 3 times I never take advice, cause you need a thing, you ain't got the time, you take it and I'll do just fine, they don't get it, how we get it, they ain't living how we living, bitch, I'm sipping what I'm sipping, they don't get it, how we get it, they ain't living how we living, bitch, I'm sipping what I'm sipping, they ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it, they ain't with it like we with it, they ain't with it like we a little bit, give up the no 1, not 2, not 3, yeah, we just pump our guts to their face, boy, hey, we be shining every day though, hustling to the top, we ain't never gonna stop, why? Cause my niggas on the block, my niggas on the block, my niggas on the block, every hustle to the top, never trust, please stop, cause my niggas on the block, every person to the top, yeah, we ain't never gonna stop, got my niggas on the block, every coming to the top, we ain't never gonna flop, breaking this beat, oh, you know we finna rock these shows, got haters in the building, and they might keep going up, 69 to the floor. Yeah, she finna swallow full, and she ain't even know. I'm a hammer going crazy, but she tryna read a poem. I'm a hustler, gangster, bustin', bangin', funky, crazy, pow. I've been hustling lately, money, crazy, funky, crazy, pow. Cause I'm all up on my pain and two haters breaking the cake. I'm a real kid, so I get that cake. And I just do it for the music, don't even twist the compute. You be focused on the brains while you lose it. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. Never trust these guys, so my niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. We ain't never gonna stop. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. Hold up on the top. You be thinking we ain't with it, we gon' make your ass pop. So my niggas on the block, holding down the territory. Hold it long, that's the reason that you worry. We ain't worried about you niggas, don't get it if you want it. It's a P thing, boy, you can call it triple warning. We got lots, cause the witches, my niggas strapped up. That's the lead that we moving to the nigga act up. Ain't on me like mine, yeah, we got full control. Let me corner that you got the homies on with patrol. Ease up, slow down, see the block, get around. If you come around, that's gonna be another man down. We ain't taking shit lightly, cause my niggas moving away. Pulling links all the time, every day the same day. Don't take the hook or granted, haters better step back. Be afraid, motherfucking rumor, now my niggas on the block. What? My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. Never trust these guys, cause my niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. We ain't never gonna stop, cause my niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. Never trust these guys, cause my niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. We ain't never gonna stop, cause my niggas on the block. Make some noise one time.